ads.
Hello, my name is Nick and I'm from aVers Cloud Solutions. So this is a little demonstration of what you cannot see on the website, but you can see from behind the scenes. So demonstration of the aVers Cloud Solutions capabilities. This is one of our older projects, international golf promotions, and I want to show you what our CMS can do. CMS is a content management system. It allows you to edit your content on the website without use of Webmaster. So all what you need to do is to enter login at the end of the URL, enter your login and password. So this is how it looks when you can actually edit the content. Everything is very intuitive, so you can drag and drop elements around in your menus. If you want to change names, you just click on the pencil and change. If you want to add a new menu item, you just type in the name of what you want, a new item, press enter, and it automatically creates a page with all the settings for it, so you can go inside and start editing the content. Just push pencil here and you see a little WYSIWYG, so you can start typing in. You can apply different formatting for it, bulleted lists, numbered lists. Insert images. So for image, all what you need to do is to drag and drop the image. So you insert the image, you can change the size of it to adjust to your needs. You can position it on the left hand side from the text. And start typing the text around. So you can embed videos from YouTube, so just insert the code here, it inserts the video. So everything is pretty simple and intuitive. So you can save the changes and it applies it to the website. If you want to delete the page, you just delete it. So it's our own CMS. Built from scratch by aVers Cloud Solutions. We don't use any third-party CMS, so we can write any type of code, pretty much any complexity. Okay, so let me show you another project. It's architect Yara Barroso. Again, everything is editable, so in order to edit, you're entering login here. Full social network integration, so people can like the page directly from the website. Follow on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on Google+, put +1s. You can create submenus as well. This feature here that we're very proud of is creating a photo galleries of works and portfolios. So for example, we will go any of the galleries here and we want to add additional photo in here, so we just push plus. Again, all what we need to do is just to drag and drop the image. Next thing would be, it will ask us to crop the image, so we can remove everything what we don't really want to appear in the image. So let's do it like that, for example. Press OK. Next step is to create a thumbnail, so you can crop it to exact size and proportions, and it will resize it on the background automatically and create a thumbnail. So you can write a few things to describe the image. Save the image, and it been successfully uploaded to the website. Second, let it load. So yeah, image have been uploaded. So we can view it now as large and see all the descriptions. Again, can like it on Facebook, tweet about it, put +1 or put it on Pinterest. Another feature integrated in this website, we can start writing comments directly from Facebook. So no registration on the website is required. It automatically on the background, if you're logged in Facebook, detects your account, puts your avatar here, and you can start typing. One of the huge advantages of doing that is that it posts it on your Facebook wall, so it's a pretty much free promotion. So let's remove that. Next project is more recent. It's a tableanddesk.com.au. It's a new Australian-made furniture. The company has manufacturing facilities in all major capital cities in Australia, and they make custom-made tables and desks. So all 3D renders been made without use of photos, so they're, in my opinion, very realistic. So they all been done by aVers Cloud Solutions for this project. Another feature of this website is this little constructor or configurator where you can build your own desk online. So what you need to do is that just to choose, any bench top, whatever you want, type of frame, color of the frame, and type of fit. So basically it calculates the price based on what you're choosing to do. You can again share any of the created designs on social media. So for example, if we would share it on Google Plus, so it puts the logo in and we can push +1 button and share it with all our friends. Again, images applied, and we can just put share. Another thing that you can do, you can play around with the size, so you can adjust the height, the width and depth of your table so it perfectly fits in your room. You can zoom in and see the larger image, what textures look like and what it will look like. Replacing the order, places the order, then you go to checkout, and here where interesting things start. Here we have integration with two major APIs. One of them is a payment system that allows you to pay on the website without sending you somewhere else with the eWay, and another thing is the logistics system. So let's type in the address. So what it does now, it's fetching information from majority of courier companies in Australia and calculating the delivery from the closest manufacturing facility to your home, pretty much. So you can choose any quote you want. So if you want to go with a lighter crest, or if you're a big fan of Star Trek, you can pay $383 for the delivery. Again, next step is to make the payment. So it's all seamless on one page, and research shows that this kind of approach increases sales because people don't have to click from one page to another. They just, following the process. when order is made, it goes to manufacturing portal, and this is something that you wouldn't be able to see on the website itself, and unfortunately we cannot give you the password to it, is because at the moment it's a working project and guys are receiving orders and etc, working with it. So here you can see that the order can be followed through by the manufacturer. So when you have a pending orders, acknowledge orders, so that means that they're starting to produce them, the shipped orders, that means it's been produced and manufactured and shipped, delivered orders, and cancelled orders. So when manufacturers print something, print the order, it creates a PDF file for them with that particular order that goes, just a second, that goes to a manufacturing floor. When it's been manufactured, they can print a consignment order. So depends again on the manufacturer. It creates it to their specifications, including all the barcodes and etc. So all what you need to do is just to stick it on the produced table when it's flat packed. It automatically on the background, of course, books their pickup, so courier comes and picks it up. When it's been picked up, system automatically changes all the delivery statuses, and again, order can be cancelled, and the history of the order can be tracked with this order history. Okay, another project that we did was for Unity Purchasing, which is a buying group. It's a chef's app that allows people to calculate, or particular chefs, professional chefs, to calculate their profits on their recipes. So they can play around with the what-if scenarios. It's easy to use, so all what you need to do is to click on the login via Facebook. It automatically will pull all your data from the Facebook, and you don't need to remember another password or anything like that. You just log in into your account. Then you have all your recipes. You can sort them as you want. You can put them into different groups, apply different logos. We offered this customer quite a few logos to choose from. So then within the recipe, let's choose one, for example, Caesar salad. Again, you have all these different ingredients, and you can calculate the price per ingredient, which is easy. What usually chefs do on a napkin, now they can do online and with their mobile phone, and then they can play with the what-if scenarios by changing their gross profit and everything around it. So it calculates your selling price, it calculates your food margin accordingly. So if you want to adjust the selling price, for example, you want to sell it for $7, everything else is adjusted. Or if you're doing it in batch and you sell it by slices, for example, you're calculating the whole cake, but you sell it by slice, you can play around with the figures based on the number of slices. So for example, if it is, as we can make out of this batch 3 serving portions, and we will sell each serving portion at $7. So this is our profit and GST and price per serving, and again cost per serving portion. The main idea behind this is for buying group to collect the data on what ingredients chefs are using. So there is a brand and the price and all the calculations, so they can come up with the counter offer for them. So it's a huge data mine at the moment. So this is a brief description, brief demonstration of what we can do. If you need any more information, please contact me. And thank you for your attention and for your time. Bye.
aVers Cloud Solutions.